Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm immigration attorney Connie Kaplan, and today we are diving into a hot topic for professionals, the TN visa and the H-1B visa. Which one is better for working in the United States? Well, whether you are from Canada, Mexico, or anywhere else in the world, understanding these visas can be your key to unlocking incredible career opportunities in the United States. So let's get into it. And don't forget, for personalized guidance, the law offices of Connie Kaplan are just here and a call away. Let's start with the basics, shall we? The TN visa stems from the North American Free Trade Agreement, now known as the USMCA, and it's exclusive to Canadians and Mexicans. It's designed for certain professionals, such as engineers and scientists, and offers a much simpler path to work in the United States. But remember, it's all about the details, which we'll cover next. On the other hand, the H-1B visa is open to all nationalities and caters to professions requiring higher education. Despite its broader eligibility, it comes with a cap on the number of visas available and a competitive lottery system. Let's break down the key differences that might affect your decision. So when choosing between TN and H-1B, consider your nationality first, your profession, and long-term goals, especially if you desire permanent residency. Each visa has its perks, but the right choice depends on your individual situation. So you've got questions, we got answers. Let's tackle the most common questions about the TN and H-1B visas. Who's eligible for a TN visa? Eligibility is limited to citizens of Canada and Mexico who work in certain professional occupations listed in the trade agreement, such as engineers, nurses, and computer scientists. How do I apply for a TN visa? Canadians can apply directly at the U.S. port of entry with the required documentation, while Mexicans must apply for a TN visa at the U.S. consulate or embassy. Can my family accompany me in the U.S. on a TN visa? Yes, your spouse and unmarried children under the age of 21 can join you under their TD status, but are not permitted to work. How long can I stay in the U.S. on a TN visa? TN visa status is initially valid for up to 3 years with the possibility of indefinite extensions in 3-year increments. Is it possible to transition from a TN visa to a green card? Well, while the TN visa is not a dual intent visa on its own, holders of TN visa can pursue permanent residency through other visa categories or employer sponsorship. Now, H-1B. What are the requirements for an H-1B visa? The primary requirement is a job offer from a U.S. employer in a specialty occupation that typically requires a bachelor's degree or higher in the specific field. How is the H-1B visa lottery process conducted? Due to the cap on H-1B visas, USCIS conducts an annual lottery when applications exceed the cap limit. Applicants first go through a registration process, and if selected, they can then submit a full visa application. Can I bring my family on an H-1B visa? Yes, spouses and unmarried children under 21 can accompany you on an H-4 visa and with certain restrictions on employment for H-4 visa holders. How long can I stay in the U.S.? The H-1B visa is valid for up to 3 years and can be extended for a maximum stay of 6 years, with exceptions for certain circumstances such as pending permanent residency applications. Can I change jobs on an H-1B visa? Yes, you can. But your new employer must file an H-1B transfer petition on your behalf before you start working for the new employer. Navigating U.S. immigration law is no small feat. That's where the expertise of an immigration attorney comes in. The law offices of Connie Kaplan can guide you through every step, ensuring you make informed decisions about your career in the U.S. If you're considering a move to the US for work, or if you're caught in the TN versus H-1B dilemma, don't go it alone. Reach out to us for support and guidance tailored to your unique situation. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into navigating your career and life in the United States. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.